Well, we've got just some big breaking news coming in right now. What we are given to understand, and PTI has reported this, that Rahul Gandhi, in one of his rallies just now, has made a massive promise to the voters, to the poor people of India, and he has promised them a minimum income, a basic income guarantee if Congress is voted to power. In fact, we're going to also just try and show you the big tweet that has been put out by the Congress party. This is part of the speech made by Rahul Gandhi. And in that speech, this is the promise he is making to the poor people of India. Is this going to be their poll plank? Is this going to be their big idea going into the election season just days after the government has come out with a 10% quota for the economically weaker section? Here is the Congress party now turning back around and saying, we are going to give you a basic income for every poor person in the country. Of course, we don't know what the details will be, but let me just read out what the Congress's official handle INC India has tweeted. We have now taken a step that no government has taken before. We have decided to give every poor person a minimum income guarantee when we form the government. This is the operative part. We have decided to give every poor person a minimum income guarantee when we form the government. This is a historic step taken to eradicate hunger and poverty. So this is the big comment, big promise that is being made by the Congress president right now as he addresses people. The Congress party's Twitter handle actually has put this out as part of his speech. We believe he's in Chhattisgarh right now, where he has made this promise just days after the government has come out and made the announcement saying that they will give a 10% quota to the economically weakest section of the general category. Here is a bigger sop that the Congress party is now dangling like a carrot to the voters this election season. We're going to get you that one specific response as well, and we'll also get you some more reactions to this here. But if you can hear me, this is a big promise that they are making. There have been multiple reports of whether the current government has been thinking about it and whether they will come out with a basic income idea for all poor people, or whether they will specifically focus on the farmers. Here is Rahul Gandhi making that promise that we will give a basic income to all the poor people in this country. Sir?
All right, Tanvi, this effectively means the Congress working along the lines, this is similar to what we'd seen during the end of UPA 2 as well, in providing food, providing minimum food to the poor. That was criticized as well. And now you have this being another set of promises with respect to providing basic income. Tanvi, inevitably there are questions going to be asked on what basis this is being promised. What is the roadmap? What are the nitty-gritties? The same questions that the Congress had tried to ask the government on passing the 10% quota for the EWS.
Sir, because if you remember, food security was the big idea by Sonia Gandhi in the run-up to the last election season, and that is what the government then rushed to even try and bring in. Of course, before that, the big one was the farm loan waiver that they announced, which ran into thousands of crores and became the big idea that helped the Congress win the elections. This time, it's the basic income. Largely, the concept has been, in fact, sir, I believe we've got the comment now. Let's just quickly listen into what exactly Rahul Gandhi said.
प्रेस के हमारे मित्रों, आप सबका यहां बहुत-बहुत स्वागत, नमस्कार। शुरू करने से पहले, भाई अब शांत हो जाएं, शांत हो जाएं अब। शुरू करने से पहले मैं छत्तीसगढ़ की जनता, छत्तीसगढ़ के युवाओं, छत्तीसगढ़ के किसानों, माताओं और बहनों का दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं। ये जो सरकार बनी है, ये आपने बनाई है, आपने हम पर भरोसा किया, कांग्रेस पार्टी पे भूपेश बघेल जी पे, सिंहदेव जी पे, हमारे बाकी नेताओं पर।
But we're going to go back to the exact comment in just a bit where Rahul Gandhi really mentions it's part of this entire speech that was made just a short while ago. He's still speaking to the people there. The basic point here is that in our country, a huge number of subsidies are given to the underprivileged, to the poor, to those who are below the poverty line. So if the Congress party is actually promising a basic income guarantee, will it really be the overarching thing that then subsumes all of these subsidies? That's what the experts are going to ask. I believe we've got that specific part now. Let's try and listen in to Rahul Gandhi.
हमने निर्णय ले लिया है कि हिंदुस्तान के हर गरीब व्यक्ति को 2019 के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी वाली सरकार गारंटी करके न्यूनतम आमदनी देने जा रही है। इसका मतलब मिनिमम इनकम गारंटी, मतलब हिंदुस्तान के हर गरीब व्यक्ति के बैंक अकाउंट में कम से कम न्यूनतम आमदनी हिंदुस्तान की सरकार देने जा रही है। मतलब हिंदुस्तान में ना कोई भूखा रहेगा, ना कोई गरीब रहेगा। और ये हम छत्तीसगढ़ में करेंगे, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, हर प्रदेश में करेंगे। हम दो हिंदुस्तान नहीं चाहते हैं, एक हिंदुस्तान होगा और उस हिंदुस्तान में हर गरीब व्यक्ति को मिनिमम इनकम देने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार करेगी। और यह काम आज तक दुनिया की किसी सरकार ने नहीं किया है। यह काम दुनिया में सबसे पहले हिंदुस्तान की 2019 के बाद कांग्रेस वाली सरकार करने जा रही है।
So that is the big promise. You heard it for yourself. For the Congress party, President has said basic minimum income guarantee to the poor people of our country. Radhika Ramaseshan, senior journalist, joining us right now. Ms. Ramaseshan, your first reaction to this promise that Rahul Gandhi has made, that if you bring us to power, this is what will be given in the bank account of each poor person.
Definitely, it's going to get as much traction as his promise of loan waiver did when he made the announcement in Chhattisgarh. In fact, I think that in a sense tipped the balance of power towards the Congress. So it's interesting that he's made this announcement from Chhattisgarh, and he has also promised that the three new Congress governments will implement the promise. Now, if you recall, this is an issue that has been pending right from the UPA time, because the National Advisory Council was trying very hard to push it when the UPA was in power, but there were some fiscal issues as a result of which they couldn't get through. Plus, there was pressure from people like Montek Singh Ahluwalia, etc. But I remember having covered the NAC very closely. It was something that the NAC was really preoccupied with. And here now Rahul Gandhi is announcing what his mother Sonia Gandhi would probably have liked to do.
Yes.
So in that sense, although he has not specified, gone into the details of whether it would be for only for BPL or APL, there is a lot of fine print which is still pending. But the promise itself and the way he's is definitely going to gain traction. And secondly, I think it's also a preemptive move. Maybe the NDA government, which is expected to make big-ticket announcements in the interim budget, was also thinking of something very similar. So before it could come out, Rahul Gandhi has, in a sense, preempted the NDA government. So if the NDA government makes a similar announcement, it would look like it's jousting with the Congress to gain brownie points. So there are two important takeaways from this. One, the vote of the poor, which went big time to the BJP in 2014, Congress is making a very serious play to get it back. And secondly, it's a preemptive move to thwart any such similar move by the NDA.
Absolutely. You know, in fact, I was going to ask you just that, and that they seem to have preempted or, gone one step ahead before the current government. There's been a lot of speculation and reports that have spoken about this government considering a basic income guarantee, or at least for the farmers, giving them some kind of a basic income. And Rahul Gandhi seems to have just 3 days before the budget gone ahead and made this big poll promise. Radhika Ramaseshan, thank you for joining us. For now, we unfortunately have to take a very short break, but we will be back, and this is the big story that we will be tracking once we come back with lots more reactions, and we'll play out the Rahul Gandhi comment one more time for you, so stay with us.